This is a tutorial on the Christmas song, The First Noel. It's in the key of C. Nobody ever complains to me about that. So no black keys to worry about. I'm going to show it to you here first as a piano soloist. So I need to show you the fingering for the right hand. And the thing about this is it's very easy. Any piano teacher will tell you this whole melody is built around the C scale. And the C scale has a fingering like this. 1, 2, 3, thumb under on F. And then I finish it up. Come back down. You get down to F and you go over with your third finger. Every single fingering change in this song is right there. So you're either going to be going under with your thumb on F or over with your third finger on E, like that. So the first note is an E, you got your third finger there. And like I said, your third finger and you go under with your thumb there on F. That goes up to the top, back down. Thumb there and third finger over on the third E there. Third finger there, thumb under on F. Third finger over on E. Third finger, thumb under on F. Third finger on the last note there. So that's really pretty simple. For the fingering, there are not too many chords in this song. G, C, or C, F, G, A minor, D minor. You can turn some of those G chords into G7 chords, but that's it. So let's walk through the chords. Your first chord's a C chord. We'll do that root position, C, E, G. And the A minor chord that we're going to do inverted. So it would be C, E, A, like that. And you've got your G chord there. We'll do that one inverted also, D, G, B. D minor chord, D, F, A, C chord, C in a root position again, C, G, do the F like that, inverted, C, F, A, which makes for a nice easy change like that. Then you've got a G7 chord there. Now that's one of those passing tones that you'd think, oh, if you just stop at that point, you think you're making a mistake, but you're not. It's a G7 chord, D, F, G, B. So this is resolving to this. Back to a C chord again. D minor, E, F, A. Back to a C chord. There's the F again, C, F, A. And there's your G7, D, F, G, B. Back to C chord again. And I'm going to suggest that you do that G chord like this. B, D, G, back to the C chord. And then we've got a G chord like that. C chord root position again. A minor. C, E, A like that. There's your G chord again. B, D, G. D minor. It's that root position there. Root position C again. F. C again. There's a G7. D, G, or D, F, G, B. C again. C, F, G7. Pretty quick change there. Or you could do this, but I'm doing it like this. There's your G again. I'm doing that like that. B, D, and G. And C, root position. And G, C. E minor there. E, G, B. I'm going to do that C like that. E, G, C. Root position on the F. I just think that sounds better doing it like that. E, G, C. A minor, E minor, F, C, G7, C, G7 to C at the end. And this is what it sounds like when you put it all together.